Hello and welcome back. This is Mitchell with Ideal Classic Cars, and today we're looking at the 1971 Plymouth Cuda. This Cuda is like none other you've ever seen or ever will see. This Cuda is so full of options and features that 2 fender tags were necessary to list them all. In addition to those double fender tags is the always desirable original build sheet along with a reproduced window sticker, showing the incredible amount of options that were added to this legendary Mopar muscle machine. Under the hood is a high-performance 383 V8 engine mated to the famously strong A727 TorqueFlite Heavy Duty automatic transmission. The slew of options equipped on the 71 include H51 air conditioning, A62 Rallye instrument cluster, B51 power disc brakes. The slew of options equipped on the 71 include H51 air conditioning, A62 Rallye instrument cluster, B51 power disc brakes, L34 road lamps, multiple molding packages, and much, much more. Hop inside and you'll find the high trim grade white and black interior with C55 bucket seats and C16 center console. Combine that with the previously mentioned air conditioning and multiplex AM FM stereo, and you're sure to stay comfortable in your one-of-a-kind Cuda. Now for the moment we all been waiting for, let's start that engine. For more information on this vehicle, call 941-966-1900 or visit idealclassiccars.net. For the best way to finance your dream car, use JJ Best. Apply online now and get approved in 5 minutes for low rates and get your dream car. Be sure to call 1-800-USA-1965 or visit www.jjbest.com. Thanks for watching.